Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andy FL here, back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about A/B split testing. In the last video we talked about tracking your opt-in page and tracking your conversion rate, and A/B split testing is kind of the same, but you can A/B split test two capture pages against each other. So you have capture page A, let's do a black one, capture page A, capture page B, and we send 100 clicks, or we can send 200 clicks, 50% going to this, 50% going to this. So now we can track everything and see that this one converts at 30%, this one converts at 50%. So we have an absolute winner right here, and they're going to a thank you page. Both of them going to the same thank you page, no problem. So also we can see how much lost revenue we have. If you know how much your lead generates you in the first month, you can expect to get about $2 for every lead in the first month. That means $60 right here. And right here we have 50 leads times $2 for the first month. That is $100. And right here we have a window of minus $40 just because we didn't A/B split test this. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna A/B split test two capture pages against each other, and we can even do it further. We can take this page, track it even further, take one more page, track them against each other, and maybe we can get 55%. Just because we A/B split test everything, and we can have even more like intricate funnels, and we can split test everything in our funnel, but that's a topic for another video. We're gonna do this simple one just as an example, and let's get into it. Alright, so here we have one of the capture pages. This is one we're gonna split test, and this is one we're gonna split test. We're gonna see which one converts better, and that's how we're gonna do it. Both of them are going into this thank you page right here. As you can see, it's the one we've used in this entire course, and this is just for tracking. So we're gonna take these two against each other and send them to this page right here. And how do we do that? We do this with ClickMagick. I've already talked about that in the last video, but it's the tool that you really need because you can track everything, and it's so easy to track everything as well. So what we're gonna do is create a new link, and then we're gonna do just a create link name EX123, EX123 as well. Then take one of the URLs, free giveaway example, right in here. So create that link, it's all good. And then you will see it pop up right here. Then we have to go on the gear icon on the right side, click that, do split testing, and then we need to get our other URL. So we go up here, give the example number 2, push it in here, then we're gonna do EX1123 just because it's different, and 50% because we want 50% to be sent to this and 50% to be sent to this. Add URL, and that's it. The only thing we have to do now is to place a conversion pixel right here on the thank you page, and we already did that in the last video, but I'm gonna show you how to do it anyways. Track conversions, go to the pixel builder, step 2. We want to track actions. All of this should be the same as I have, and then we have an action tracking pixel right here. So we're gonna copy that, we're gonna go to our thank you page, and I've made this with Profit Builder. It's gonna be almost exactly same in every other capture page builder, and I've already, since we did it in the last one, I'm gonna just delete that. Add element or shortcode text HTML. Up in the content right here, we're just gonna delete all of it and paste our tracking code, and then just close it, and that's it. We're just gonna save, close Profit Builder, and then we're gonna update. That's it. Now you just use this link. We just go here, you just use this link right here, NDFL EX123, and you're gonna be split testing it all. You're gonna be split testing like a big boy, like you're in business, like you're actually serious about this. So this is the link you're gonna post to your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever, and it's gonna be split tested, and it's all good. So you can see here, we can do this. I think if we refresh it, it will always go to the same page. It will not go to the other page. It's because we save cookies on our Chrome browser. If you delete your cookies, it will go to the other one, but it works. It works. So that's all I have for you today. Go and check out ClickMagick. The link is in the description. Try out your 14-day free trial. It's gonna be awesome. You need to be tracking your shit so you don't lose out on $40, $50. You don't even know until you track everything. So that's this video, and this is the second to last video, and this has been a really fun ride. In the last video, I'm just gonna make a video of getting it all together, what you need to have, what you need to do, go through the business checklist and that sort of thing, and it's just gonna be a recap video for you, so I'm hopefully not leaving anything out. But that's in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.